pumped. We're going away today. We fly out to Thailand. We're going to Phuket just to get some rest before the year kicks off. So we'll go over there for about 8 days, pick up a Harley over there and do a bit of a tour around the island. It's not a massive island, very pretty things to see over there. So a bit of a flight delay, which is a bit annoying. We were due to fly out at 3 o'clock this afternoon. It's now being pushed back to 9 p.m. Pretty tired by the time we get there. Catch us soon in Thailand. Can I just show you something? Have a look at this. 8 days. I mean, I'm sure there's people that have migrated to Australia with less stuff. It is a bit embarrassing, really. My wife's bag, 30 kilos, summer destination, 8 days, love you hun. Motorcycle helmets, motorcycle gear, the little bad boy. If you remember this guy from the luggage review, love that bag, camera gear, my jacket because I'll be hiring a Harley over there, and my clothes bag. Is that enough luggage for you? How good's this? That is rain. How fantastic is that? Such a blessing. Not happy to be flying out in this weather. I don't flying out in cloud and rain and all that sort of stuff, but you know what, I'll take this rain any day, and I hope it's helping these fireys out. So anyway, that's the luggage, the embarrassing luggage. We probably won't even get on the first domestic flight because we've got to go from Sydney to Melbourne and then Melbourne to Phuket, so we may not even get to Melbourne without paying thousands. So what is it with airport prices? Just thought we'll go and get a sandwich and a coffee. So the sandwich doesn't have cheese on it. We said, can we have cheese, please? She said that's $3.50. So for 2 sandwiches, just with the cheese part on top of it, would be an extra $7 for cheese. Love your work. So still stuck here at Melbourne Airport. We're 9 hours now, 9.5 hours in transit. So the original flight was 3 p.m, got pushed back to 9 p.m, and then got pushed back to 11:40 and then 12:20. So we've had a lucky other. Thank you. I just got told I look stoned. At our gate, 20. It's what? Say that again? But no, don't worry about it. No one's getting any tips. They're too fucking angry. The thing that came out of it was they reseated us, so we're actually sitting in row 1. Thank fuck for that. How are you? So we're gonna have dinner at like 3 in the morning. No worries. We're about 4 hours or so flight. It's an 8.5 hour flight. Fair bit of turbulence, so not cool. Coming into land shortly, about 4:20 a.m. local time here. Very tired, didn't sleep much. Beautiful life. Pitch black outside. Well, that was quick and easy, customs done. What are you looking for? Currency exchange. We don't have any money. Towels. We just got here, it's about 6:30 in the morning. It's about 10:30 in Sydney. So then 19 hours in transit, which is ridiculous. Check out this hotel.